Hi everyone, welcome to My Creative Time's 132nd edition of release. The new products that I am going to show you will be available on Friday, April 28th at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Starting out, we have the Springtime Paper Pack. Love this paper, love, love, love. So I'm just going to kind of show you very quickly. Hopefully I have everything because I have used quite a bit of it. This one, you can fussy cut these. I did use that other die that she has that looks very similar to this, and it does cut it out, but it's going to leave a border around it, and you have to position it correctly. And then there goes that. And that one there. And sorry, these were purple flowers there, but I used part of that paper that's on the back side of here. We have that there. And this one here. That there. Oops, it's a little blurred. There we go. And then that one there. I love this tomato red. Oh my gosh, I could use a whole pack of that. And then that one there. That tomato red is gorgeous. And so is this one. I love it, love it, love it. There goes that. And then this one. That one has that little design on the back. And then we have that one. That one's pretty too, really pretty. You can just take a die and cut out that if you like. There goes that. And then this one here. Hopefully, there we go. And that there. And this one, and we're working on the end of it. And we have this, and the rain, and then this here. And that's the paper. All right, next up we have the watering can stamp and dies. So this will have 3 things in one pack. So you'll have your stamp set, the dies that go with this stamp set, which are just these here. And then these coordinate with your watering can dies there. And so that will be sold in one pack. And then that's all I'm showing you for the new stuff today. And then I also use from the medium teacup die, which was her previous die, her previous release. I am using this set here, which goes on top of the cup. And I'm using that as a shadow piece. And then from her small flower dies, I am using this one, and that one. And then I am also using her pretty scallop ovals, the layers and the scallops. I'm using both of those. All right, let me show you what I created. I thought it turned out so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love the orange and this like craft looking color back there. I think the ink color that I used for the paint splatter was Espresso by Memento, and I layered that stamp set right on top of that can and just stamped it out, and it just turned out so pretty. I also used Life is Better in the Garden, and I thought about coloring up those little flowers in there, but I didn't have an orange to match, so I left it plain, but I think it still works. And then there goes the inside. Love, love, love how it turned out. That's all I have for you. Make sure you use the links down below to My Creative Time. I'll have all those links, all the products that I use, the additional products I should say. And then for that new release, it will be out this Friday, April 28th. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.